Huwag tiisin ng dry eyes, #moisturize. This new initiative highlights our commitment to addressing one of the most common eye care challenges faced by Filipinos, dry eyes. Today, we are also reintroduced our revolutionary Imo moisturizing formula designed to provide fast and effective relief for dry eyes that we are eager to share. And very much eager to share the campaign with you. Dry eyes can be significantly impact our lives, causing discomfort, reducing productivity, and affecting our overall well-being. According to experts, 1 out of 5 Filipinos suffer DED, and only 20% seek treatment. In the fast-paced world where screen time is high, air-conditioned environments are common, and urban population is a reality, it is essential to recognize and address these conditions early, targeting the 30 to 35 years old as our primary target, the 39 years old and above as our secondary market, and all-encompassing the productive people who are at 25 years old and above, male and female. Our company aims to highlight the 3 most common dry eye symptoms, which are often misunderstood and overlooked. Let's delve on this one by one. Number 1, mahapding mata or burning eyes. One of the most noticeable sign of dry eyes, which is persistent like burning sensation. This can be feel like your eyes are on fire, making you difficult to concentrate and perform everyday tasks. If you frequently feel this irritation and sensation, it is crucial to see your doctor. Number 2, magaspang na mata, sandy or gritty eyes. Another common symptoms that is sensation of having grit or sandy eyes, in which it has a very uncomfortable feeling. And this can cause irritation and urge to rub your eyes incessantly. Number 3, pagod na mata. I'm sure everybody experienced this. This is a constant, heavy, tired, and even after a full night's rest, you still have this feeling or suffering that your eyes are in severe fatigue, lowering your productivity and affecting your quality of life. So in our culture, in Filipino culture, we are guilty on this, right? We Filipinos are known to be matiisin. Agree? So, para tayong mga masokista. But seriously, even there is a solution available, we endure the pain. And we use our eyes so much in so many things, whether at work or play, to protecting them is becoming not the primary concern. So, this is why Imo is definitely the brand of eye or the eye care formula that can really provide that protection. Now, and this is the only way to stop this DED and to inform our Filipino people that we have to launch the Huwag Tiisin ang Dry Eyes campaign. Imo Moist is formulated with the advanced moisturizing agents. It provides long-lasting hydration, relief from dry eyes, and whether it's due to a prolonged screen time, environment factors, or simply demands of busy lifestyle, Imo Moist comes with a very moisturizing agent called Hypromolose. Yeah. Hypromolose is used to relieve dry eye symptoms or DED, and Imo Moist, how we call it, is meticulously formulated to soothe and protect our eyes and make it moisturized and make it comfortable throughout the day. Imo Moist is a product of choice for DED and is easily accessible and can be bought without prescription, quality brand, yet affordable. Imo Moisturizing Formula is a testament to our dedication to innovation and excellence in eye care. You know, this celebration is not just a media launch or a campaign launch. This is also raising awareness and educating the public the importance of eye care, which nakakalimutan natin lahat. Through Huwag Tiisin ang Dry Eyes, #Moisturize campaign, we aim to inform and empower Filipinos to take action and prioritize their eyes and seek timely solutions for dry eyes. Our 360 Degrees campaign may have taken in any forms. It can be in informative docufilms, TV commercials, if you look at our Facebook page, online articles in our websites, community and corporate forums, engaging digital contents and collaborations with healthcare professionals. We believe that empowering people with the right knowledge is as important as providing them with the right products. By doing so, we help individuals making informed decisions about their eye health and encouraging them to take proactive steps in maintaining clear and healthy vision. Furthermore, we are so thrilled and very happy to announce our continued partnership with our GMA Kapuso star, Mr. Ken Chan. Okay? And as our main brand ambassador, Ken has been our brand ambassador since 2022, and until now, he remains to be the face of IMO products in the Philippines, including several partnerships with healthcare professionals, influencers, and community leaders just like you, the media. The media, we share together this vision. Together, we will amplify this message and ensure everyone has access for the information, for the products they need to combat dry eyes effectively. Lastly, to our esteemed members of press and media, your role is really crucial in this campaign. So we really urge you and help us to be our platform, to be our voice, and help us reach a wider audience and convey the importance of eye health to millions of Filipinos. We deeply appreciate your support and looking forward in working closely with you in spreading the word about the relevance of IMO moisturizing formulas, Huwag Tiisin ang Dry Eyes, Moisturize campaign. And in closing, I would like to thank my dedicated team. Congratulations to you. And for all of you here today, with your unwavering support for IMO, together we know that we can make a significant impact on eye health in the Philippines. Remember, guys, you don't have to endure dry eyes. #Moisturize. Okay, and to end, let me end by presenting to you our TV